Hello, everybody. This time we'll be discussing about how to prepare an affidavit attesting to the truth, accuracy, and genuineness of all information, documents, and records as one of the requirements for registration as a hazardous waste generator. At yung notarized affidavit na ito ay ina-upload natin doon sa ating online account sa Hazardous Waste Management System. May mga format na ibibigay po para sa pag-prepare ng affidavit as part of the requirements for registration as a hazardous waste generator. So ito yung nakita natin na available format sa affidavit at sinusundan lang natin yung mga available templates na to na isinasubmit for evaluation naman sa EMB Regional Office as part of the requirements for registration as a hazardous waste generator. So hindi natin to ginawa kundi nakita natin yung template na to at kadalasan ito naman yung ipinapasa talaga sa concerned regional office po. So paano ba natin to ginagawa? Pinifilapan natin to at sinasubmit. So we have the name kung sino po yung head ng company, ng agency, yung owner, or kung sino yung tinatawag natin na managing head. So halimbawa ay Peter S. Pan of legal age, Filipino, residing at halimbawa Block 1, Lot 5, San Cristobal Subdivision, Barangay Tambo, Alangilan, Barangay Tambo, Lipa City, Batangas. Yan, sample lang po yan, ano. Ah, at kung may tinapat naman na pangalan, yan ay hindi natin intended, ano. Sample lang din yung pangalan na yan. So ito yung content ng affidavit. I am an applicant for hazardous waste generator registration pursuant to RA 6969 and its implementing rules and regulations, DAO 2013-22. Ganon din, meron dito yung pangalawang statement, I am aware and understand all the duties, responsibilities, and accountability to be imposed upon me and kung ano po ang pangalan ng establishment o ng company. Halimbawa, ABC Company Inc. Yeah. By such application and such will be liable for all the damages incurred and for any untoward incident during its actual operation. So, alisin lang natin itong bold text saka yung underline na yan. Ano? In-emphasize lang natin na mayroon diyang inilalagay na name ng establishment. Lagay natin yung yan, ABC Company. By such application and as such will be liable for all the damages incurred and for any untoward incident during its actual operation. Number 3, I attest to the truth, accuracy, and genuineness of all the information, documents, and records contained and attached to this application, and that I and yung pong name ng establishment, ABC Company Inc. shall be liable for any misrepresentation, fraudulent declaration, and all its consequences. Number 4, I am executing this affidavit as a proof of good faith in complying with the requirements for securing the above-mentioned hazardous waste generator registration. So, hindi na natin to ginagawa. Ito ay dina-download na lang natin itong template na ito at lalagyan na lang din natin ng mga pangalan at ng ating mga pirma and subject for notary na po ito. So halimbawa, affiant, kung sino yung pangalan na nakalagay dito sa itaas, si Mr. Peter Pan, yung managing head, yung owner o yung head of agency na nag-undertake nitong affidavit na to. So lagay natin Peter Pan. So subscribe and sworn to before me this. Bahala na niyan sa pagnonotaryo. Affiance personally appeared before me exhibiting his competent evidence of identity. So yung name, Peter S. Pan, halimbawa, diverse license, number 12345, valid until April 15, 2029. Example lang to. At yan na nga, papanotaryo. So, hindi natin to ginawa itong template na to. Dinownload lang natin. Nilagyan lang natin ng mga information. At kung ito ay sapat na yung information at na-submit na natin ito sa EMB with signature and notary at tinanggap na yung affidavit na ito, di okay na po yan. So, consult nyo din sa lawyer na magnonotaryo kung tama na yung information sa paggawa ng affidavit, kung kompleto. Iba pa din na sa lawyer mismo nang galing yung paggawa nito dahil sa kanilang jurisdiction. So ito yung example lang na nakita natin na kadalasan ding na isasubmit for registration as a hazardous waste generator. Again, mga example lang ito. Wala itong mga totoong tao at lugar. Guide lang natin kung paano itong affidavit. Pero ang recommendation ko ay ipakita nyo ito sa law office kung tama na yung pagkakagawa ng affidavit. Affidavit attesting to the truth, accuracy, and genuineness of all the information, documents, and records. Kaya kung kailangan pang baguhin, kailangan baguhin. Kung hindi, sign and notary na lang po. So, thank you very much for listening. I hope na bigyan kayo ng guide kung paano fill upan itong affidavit attesting to the truth, accuracy, and genuineness. Thank you very much, and kung gusto niyo pang malaman kung paano gumawa ng mga at mag-fill up ng mga applicable forms, just like, share, and subscribe. Thank you very much po.